YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day giving you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, we're on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, that like button. It helps us in the algorithm. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin and some Toshi today, guys. But before we do that, we gotta just let you know, not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. Now that we got that out of the way, so you guys could see total market cap coming in at a $2.8 trillion, up about 1.3. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 21, and our market cap starting to round out a little bit, but again coming up on some key resistance. Right, we were talking about how big this resistance was here at 84. We did break above 84 now, right? We're coming in at 80 at this 84.5. 84.5 is really where the resistance is at right now, and I feel like we're watching that play right now. But I'm kind of curious, are we going to see some price pump into the weekend? It's not usually typically what we see. A lot of the time we would typically see some sell-off going into the weekend, but again, I'm curious to see what Bitcoin's going to do here. As you guys could see, it is creating a nasty bear flag here on the one-day chart, and that's definitely something that I'm paying attention to. Also on this 1 hour chart, you guys could see we've been making good price action, but right now we're again butting up on some key resistance. I told you guys it's pretty much right here around this 84.5 zone is pretty much where it's at. I'm sure it's resting right on it. Oh no, it looks like we're breaking out on the second level right here, but we might see a rejection off this level right here on this top. We don't want to see a rejection off that top level there. Might be an indicator that again we have not broken up yet. We need some more positive price action to happen on Bitcoin. You could see in the past 30 minutes we are seeing a little bit of positive price action, so maybe it's possible that we can start doing something a little bit, right? Bitcoin hasn't been doing much, right? But we'll see. Again, we're heading into this zone right here that's going to be a little bit overbought. Are we going to see some more sell-off, or are we going to see Bitcoin starting to make a bit of a recovery here, right? If you look on our 3 hour, past couple hours, right, have been pretty good. Now, first time we've been testing this second level in a while now, guys. We've been really trending underneath the second Keltner channel, and that's something I was saying. I'm like, man, this is kind of insane that we're still trending underneath this second level. Well, really, we were trending underneath the third level a lot. And I was saying it's just so crazy that we just keep rejecting. But are we going to start seeing this thing maybe start to break out of this zone, right? Maybe we can have some kind of support in this 80K range. Or again, do we need to see a retest of that 70K? A lot of mixed indicators right here. You guys could see the 1 week is not looking too hot, and neither is the 1 day chart. So some of these more macro time intervals showing that maybe we might see a little bit of sell off. Look at this 1 day chart touching right on that bottom Keltner channel. Are we going to see this thing break out, or are we going to see it reject? This thing rejects, it's going to be bad. It's going to definitely bleed the market pretty bad. But if it does break out, then we're going to again see that probably a big green candle if this thing could break out, and then that would be pretty good for the short term at least. And that's what I was saying too, like the way that this correction has been going lately has just been kind of insane. You see how fearful we've been, and you see like when we kind of been down here in the past, we kind of tend to like shoot up at some point. And that's what I was saying in my last video. I'm like, we got to start. I was even saying that last night at like 79K. I'm like, we got to start doing something. Like this is a 78K. You know, it's just something's got to happen. It's the type of sell off that we were seeing, guys. It was just a little bit too fast. Like things do dip down, but I feel like to see that much of a price sell off, it was just a little bit too manipulated for me. I don't know. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin and stuff like that. Look at Toshi Coin also responding pretty nicely, right? Toshi Coin jumping back up with Bitcoin too. I told you guys that Bitcoin is pretty much what is pushing Toshi around right now, whether that be up or down. So, and that's most of the market too, right? Most of the market is being influenced by Bitcoin right now. Again, Bitcoin at a key level of decision right now. We do not want to reject off of the zone. If we reject off of this zone, guys, that's not going to be good at all. It's going to be a big sell off. This is, again, another big psychological barrier for a lot of people right here. So if we do see some big sell off, maybe we will see a big sell off down to like that 75K again. Like we said, maybe we'll create some kind of a wedge, right? We could create some kind of a wedge here, or maybe we have already created the wedge. Maybe this was the wedge and we're starting to break up now. Again, we'll find out in the next couple hours if Bitcoin can stay strong and break up out of this. We do have maybe some kind of a bull flag here, but this could also be a rising wedge also on the 7-day, right? We don't want to create a wedge right here. We need to break up and break out. We do not want to create a wedge and break down off that wedge. That would not be good. Again, so that's what I'm paying attention to with Bitcoin. Also, watching Toshi Coin as well. As you guys can see, Toshi Coin looking like it's pretty much following again. Bitcoin 1-to-1. Interesting. This is the most price action that Toshi Coin and Bitcoin have seen in a minute. So we'll see if Toshi Coin will be able to break up. Toshi is actually at a very key level right now on this 2-hour chart. Also need to see a break up and out of this second level, right? We don't want to see another rejection of this second level on this Keltner channel here on the 2-hour as well. And again, the 4-hour too, right? 4-hour, same thing. We got to start breaking out above and seeing some positive price action on Toshi. But again, it's going to be dependent on Bitcoin. It's going to be dependent on our market. So I want to know what you guys think. Are you guys feeling better with Bitcoin sitting at 84, or do you guys feel still not good about this range? Do you think we're going to reject off of this zone right here and drop down again, making cheaper prices in the market? Or do you guys think that Bitcoin is starting to round out? Again, we're starting to see that kind of happen a little bit with our total cryptocurrency market as well with Bitcoin's recovery. So maybe we'll see something like that happen. Maybe not. I mean, again, look at this. Yikes, right? This little bear flag right here on the 1 year, definitely concerning. A little bit of price action, but is it going to be enough, boys? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. What are your price predictions? I'm still bullish on Toshi in 2025. I do think that corrections are necessary. We're definitely already seeing one. So how far down we go, I really don't know. But I am looking to dollar cost average into projects that are good for 2025 that I like, because again, I'm long on 2025. I feel like, you know, we see these types of corrections happen, and you know, they just I just feel like we have so much bullish stuff going on in the space right now that I just feel like this is just necessary correction and a little bit of FUD sandwich. But again, I'm still bullish on 2025. So I'm going to keep covering this stuff, guys. We'll see. I want to know what you guys think, though. What do you guys think about the market, about the state of the market? Do you guys think that Bitcoin is going to start making a recovery soon? Again, we went down very fast just now. You guys think it's going to just kind of go up and down for a minute? Like, what do you guys think? You guys think we're going to create some consolidation here? You guys think we're going to create a quick recovery here? Do you guys think that we are still mid correction and we still need to correct down? I heard somebody say possibly 60K. I think 60K is a little bit low. It would break a lot of the models that we've gone by in cryptocurrency for a long time, but I've actually heard a lot of people questioning those models. I feel like those models always come into question during these dips and stuff like that. People always are bringing those models into question, which they should. You should question all those indicators and stuff like that to see kind of how things play out and which indicators have been good in the past. Now, I try to use indicators that have been good in the past, because that's all we can do, right? All we can do as traders, guys, is look at past performance and try to use that as, again, an indicator of what we can do in the future. But guys, the future's unknown. Nobody knows. Bitcoin can go up. It can go down. Toshi Coin could be at $1 billion tomorrow. It can be at 100 million tomorrow. Nobody really knows. I don't think that either one of those things will happen, by the way, tomorrow. But I do think that the markets are volatile right now. And the best time to make money, guys, honestly, is in volatile markets. I mean, shoot, I like when markets go up. I also like when markets go down, because at least right now, in terms of right now, because I don't think that the bull cycle is over personally. I just feel like we still have a lot of things intact that are showing that we just have not broken completely down off the cycle. Again, corrections happen, and I understand that, but a correction doesn't mean the end to a bull cycle. Bull cycles have corrections all the time. It's not just a straight line the entire bull cycle. So again, sometimes those corrections can take weeks. Sometimes they can take months. And just because that happens doesn't mean, again, that the cycle's over. Now, can the cycle be over? There's always a chance. But again, normally our cycles end with a clear blow off top. And that's what I'm paying attention to. That's what I'm looking for Again, guys, we're going to keep covering it. So if you like this content, again, let me know. Oh, my air fryer is going off. Oh, snap. I've never heard that alarm before. That's going crazy. Okay. We're going to have to cut the video here because I think my air fryer is going to blow up. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace, guys. Check on this.